I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, gon' take my hand, gon' take my hand. Walk this walk together, build the soul, that should come out. Whatever weather, cold or warm,
say this to the world.
You know that we're not alone. Follow if you feel like you've been down.
I just wanna voice out the shit that's been going on in the past few days. I've been so phased, I can't lie, we've been so chained. I look so plain, we're showing how we look so pain. Many people shot in a day, we will prevail. Yeah, I can't say much, but I will do my best to handle everything with one touch. One flush from the system like it's already all gone. If we hush, yeah, we keep on pushing till we all gone. 6 feet deep is where they want us. Yeah, we feel so pompous, thinking they magnificent and feeling like they own us. Matter of fact, we own you. We chose you to serve you, and that is reality. We did nothing to hit you. What you killing us for? You tagging us lazy. Moving out peacefully, you saying we crazy. We ain't got no jobs and no funds, you to taste me. You're shutting us up with your guns, that's so shady.
I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, gon' take my hand, gon' take my hand. Walk this walk together, build a song. Whatever weather, cold or warm, let you know that we're not alone. Follow if you feel like you've been down.
You sound so angry now, so cut the crap. You wanna shut us down by taking our lives, but God ain't got your back. Now you're saying you care, you have our interest at heart. Well, shut it. Instead of speeding facts, you wearing caps. You said you're bringing the change. All I see is the same set of people hungry for power and topping the chain. Can't believe we got playing like some pawns in the game of chess, and I feel like it's coming like it's a freaking wave. Yeah, you treat us like slaves. If we don't do your bidding, then we done. Look out, man down, what you saying? We ain't playing no more. We don't want this cycle to go on, and we gonna stop. It's the awakening, the point that we are going so raw. It's the government against the people, sure it looks like a brawl. Started peaceful before, but you're choosing to kill us. I feel saddened by all things that happen to us. Damn.
I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, gon' take my hand, gon' take my hand. Walk this walk together, build a song. Whatever weather, cold or warm, let you know that we're not alone. Follow if you feel like you've been down the same road. And I just can't keep living this way. So starting today, I'm breaking out of this cage. I'm standing up, I'ma face my demons. I'm manning up, I'ma hold my ground. I've had enough, so I'm so fed up. Time to put my life back together right now.
The time has come for us to stand up. It's the awakening season. We've had enough, believe me. I wanna say that we're treating each other like we is family. I know united we stand, it's going a long way really. If we divided we finish, cause the so-called heads, we don't care in our feelings. We have to make this work, and we have to push this up. They don't know if they end us now. There'll be no country that will be left us now. I'm glad we're awake and we conscious, and we can take the chances they have thrown us, and we can walk the path that they have shown us. Cause that's just fighting in vain, and that's bad for us. We have to create a standard that's for the whole world. Yeah, you know, that's right, I said the whole world. I'm glad I can use words to say how much I feel heard, and say that we be a first that can be homeless.
I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, gon' take my hand, gon' take my hand. Walk this walk together, build a song. Whatever weather, cold or warm, let you know that we're not alone. Follow if you feel like you've been down.